Hello everyone. So the next problem in this series is 6 gallons of wine are drawn from a cask and replaced by 6 gallons of water. So 6 gallons of wine is drawn and replaced with 6 gallons of water. 6 gallons of the mixture are next drawn and again replaced by the 6 gallon. So now there is a mixture of water and wine. So again the 6 gallon of the mixture is drawn and replaced with 6 gallon of water. If the ratio of the wine to water in the cask is now 81 is to 19. So now the ratio is 81 is to 19. Then how much wine was there in the cask at the beginning of the operation? So we need to find how much wine was there at the beginning of the task operation. So there is no wine, no water in the cask at the first. So we are given in brackets that there was no water in the cask at the first, at the beginning, and the options given are 50 gallon, 70 gallon, 80 gallon and 60 gallon. So we need to begin with the solution. So in solution we can say that let X be the original amount of the wine in the cask. Let X be the original amount of wine in the cask, So we have considered let it be X. So amount of wine after first change. So after first change the amount of wine will be equal to X minus 5, X minus 6, because 6 gallon is removed. And amount of wine after second change. After second change it will be X minus 6 into X minus 6 upon 6, because 6 gallon of mixture are next drawn and again replaced by 6 gallon of water. So it is replaced with 6 gallon of water. So it comes to X minus 6 square upon 6 upon X. Sorry, here it is X. So here also X. Now amount of water will be, so the amount of water will be X minus, because X is the original amount of wine, minus the wine after second change will be X minus 6 upon square upon X, which will come to, after making the denominator same, we get 12X minus 36 upon X. So the new ratio of wine to water. So here we'll get the new ratio of wine to water. So here we can determine the new ratio of wine to water, that is equal to X minus 6 the whole square upon X is to 12X minus 36. X minus 36 upon X is equal to X minus 6 square upon 12X minus 36. So this comes to X minus 6 the whole square upon 12X minus 36, which is equal to 81 upon 19, which is given in the problem. So here X can be either 60 or X can be either 60 upon 19, but 60 upon 19 is not practically feasible, so the original amount can be 60 gallons. So option D is the solution for the given problem, that is 60 gallon was at the beginning of the operation. Thank you.